Hey everyone, it's Mrs. McGrath. I'm here to tell you about unit fractions today. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you so you can see what I'm looking at. So in Zearn, some of your problems may ask you to find the unit fraction, or it may say fractional unit. Either way, it's the same thing. The terminology kind of flips back and forth a little bit. So you might see unit fraction or you might see fractional unit. Same thing. A unit fraction is a fraction with a numerator of 1. So for example, 1/4, 1/9, 1/10, 1/8, 1/6. And then the last one here says 1 over n. And what that means is 1 over any number. So 1 over 500, 1 over 1,000, 1 over 1,000,000. It could be any number here. We're going to look at this first example. Here I have a shaded fraction of 3/4, but the unit fraction is 1/4. Now it's not 1/4 because there's one piece missing. It's 1/4 because each of the pieces is called 1/4. Down here, the shaded fraction is 1/2, but the unit fraction is 1/4. Not a half because there's pieces missing. The 1/4 is our unit fraction because each piece is called 1/4. So we're going to go ahead and do a couple practice problems. So this one here is a whole. I have 3/3 or 1 whole shaded. And the unit fraction, even though it's all shaded, is still 1/3 because each piece is called 1/3. This one here, I have 4 pieces, 1 is shaded, so my fraction is 1/4. It's also the same as my unit fraction. So that is also something that may pop up while you're doing Zearn, is that your shaded fraction and your unit fraction could be the same. Here I have eighths. 3 of them are shaded, so my shaded fraction is 3/8, and my unit fraction is 1/8. Here I have 5/6 shaded, and here's another case where I have one piece that's not shaded, and that is not the reason why my unit fraction is called 1/6. It's a coincidence, but my unit fraction is 1/6 just because each of these pieces is called 1/6.